Gentos Measurement and Control Company Limited, established in 1993, is specializing in ultrasonic flowmeter for liquid with over 25 years, and has researched and developed various types of devices. And D116 is both a clamp-on and universal economical ultrasonic flowmeter with transit time method among them. It features easy installation, no break pipe, no stop water, which makes clients simple and flexible measure the flow in pipeline. Thus, it's widely applied in water treatment, HVAC, and aquaculture.